side hustle that I think anyone can do, and you can do it online, you can do it anywhere in the world. I think it's teeming with potential and it's actually fun. And it's one that I'm testing currently. This is a video that I've just made on a new side hustle called Rob's Nomad Life on TikTok. The videos are doing extremely well, and I've only made a couple of them. And you don't even have to be traveling to do a travel vlog. You don't even have to be in the video. You can just do your research about something that's interesting to you, a place you want to go maybe in the future, and you put together a video around it and then post it up. And anything around travel just takes off in YouTube space. People love hearing about places to go, where they want to go. And if you can make it entertaining content, it will even do better. And how do I monetize this? Well, there's two main ways. One is I'm going to use Google Ads monetization. So once I get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, I can use Google Ads and make money on the Google ad revenue. Just started. This is a long-term thing, at least a year before it really takes off. The second way is actually sell affiliate marketing items. Like in this video, I sell a GoPro Hero 9 where it's a camera I used to make the video, and I just sell it in the bottom of the video. So every once in a while, I'll sell affiliate products as well. And of course, there's a third way of doing branding deals. Oh, and there's even a fourth way is as you start to grow your channel and other business owners see your vlog, they'll start offering you free stuff, free travel, free hotels, free restaurants, things like that. Like you can review, it's unlimited. You can review free gyms. Then the list goes on and on and on. So there's that fourth benefit as well. So I think this is a really fun one too. You can go here to get my TikTok and see what it's all about. And I'll keep you posted as things progress within Bali, Indonesia, Thailand, Singapore. I'll be posting more and more videos. So and I'll keep you updated on how that goes.